At first, download LAN Employee Monitor and then extract it. Install Server for Manager on your computer. Click File. Add User menu. Click OK button directly. Click Allow Access button. We can find the IP address of this computer in the title bar of LAN Employee Monitor. Please remember this IP address and then you need to input it to Agent Computer. Go to the computer that you want to monitor. Install Agent for Employee on this computer. Press Alt and L key to unhide Agent software. Input the IP address of server computer to the first text box. And then click OK button. Go back to your own computer. Now you can monitor the remote computer on your network.